Welcome. In this video I will show you how to update drivers on Windows 10. In order to quickly update drivers on your Windows, open Start menu, then go to Settings. In Settings, select Update and Security. Then, select View Optional Updates. Expand Driver Updates list. Now select the drivers that you want to download and install, and then click Download and Install to confirm. And then just wait until the drivers are downloaded and installed. After that, you're gonna have to restart your computer to apply changes. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.